Hello, are you there?
Hi there. Yes, I'm here.
How are you?
What's on your mind?
How are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. I'm just cycling. I'm going to just see the nature, you know, just cycling.
That sounds wonderful. Enjoy the ride and the beautiful nature around you. Do you have a favorite place to cycle?
Now I want to ask you something. Tell me, how should I say cycling or cycling? Cycling, right?
You can say either cycling or biking, both are correct.
Or biking,
Do you
yeah.
have any other questions about English I can help you with? I'm glad you find it helpful. We can definitely explore new words and practice conversations whenever you'd like.
Yeah.
What would you like to talk about today?
I don't know. You can try to test me with some words.
Sure thing. Let's start with some words related to nature, since you're out biking. What does tranquil mean?
Yeah, but that I don't know. I don't know. How do you pronounce it?
It's pronounced tranquil. It means peaceful and calm. Can you use it in a sentence?
Tranquil. I never heard it. Never ever heard this word. Tranquil. That's a new word. I don't know if I will remember, but you know, we can practice.
That's all right. It's a new word for you. We can practice using it in sentences if you'd like. Maybe something like, the forest was so tranquil I felt completely at peace. Enjoy your bike ride and the beautiful scenery. Thanks for chatting and have a wonderful rest of your day.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Are you there?
Hi there. I'm here. What's on your mind?
Tell me what the weather is gonna be today.
In Palkovis, there'll be light rain with a high of 26 and a low of 14. Right now it's 25 and mostly cloudy.
So it's no rain, right? Not gonna be raining today, but looks like sometimes.
According to the forecast, there's a 20% chance of light rain during the day and a 45% chance of light rain tonight. So it might rain a little, but it shouldn't be too heavy. Do you have any other questions about the weather or anything else?
So what is weather looks like in the future for future month, next month?
It's tricky to say for sure what the weather will be like next month. Weather forecasts are most accurate for the next few days. Would you like me to check the long-range forecast for Palkovis? Or
Yeah.
is there another location you're interested in?
No, yes, you can check the weather in my location.
Okay, here's the long-range forecast for Palkovis. It looks like there's a chance of rain for the next few days, with temperatures ranging from 19 to 26 degrees Celsius. There will be some sun, but expect mostly cloudy skies.
Yeah, which is good, which is okay. As long as it's not gonna be heavy rain, it's okay.
Yep, it doesn't look like there's any heavy rain in the forecast for the next 10 days, so you should be good to go on your bike.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. Enjoy your bike ride.
What present time means for you exactly?
Present time means right now, this very moment. It's about focusing on what's happening around you and within you in this instant, rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but yes. But can you describe it more for the person?
Imagine you're eating your favorite food. Focusing on the present time means noticing the colours and smells, the way it feels in your mouth, and the delicious taste. It's about being fully immersed in the experience of eating, without thinking about what happened earlier or what you'll do later.
No, but I think it's also for, you know, not just to see what's around you, but just a feeling that's connected. You know, you see something and you have feeling. So that's the most important feeling. But that's of course that's connected together. So yes, when I'm talking to you now, when I'm saying this, I have a tingling all over my body, which is good.
That's a great point. Focusing on the present isn't just about seeing, but also about feeling. It's about noticing the sensations in your body and how they connect with what you're experiencing. That tingling feeling you mentioned, that's a perfect example of being present in the moment.
It's a beautiful view now.
I can't see anything, but I'm glad you're enjoying the view. What does it look like?
I will show you, you will see it now. Watch. Can you see?
I'm looking forward to hearing about it.
Can you see it now?
Wow, what a view. I see a lake in the distance, and a town or city on the other side. There are some houses with red roofs closer to us, and it looks like a pool with a cover in someone's backyard.
Yeah,
The sky is blue with some fluffy white clouds. It's really pretty.
yeah, it is. Tell me, what do you see now?
I see you're on your bike, and there's a bright yellow house with blue window frames behind you. There are a lot of green trees around, and a big red truck just passed by. Great, I'm excited to see it. Okay, I see it. It's a modern-looking house with a flat roof and big windows. Is that the whole house, or is there more to see?
No, it's not more to see, but to me, it's a very big for 2 persons. So in 2 days I didn't touch the food, any food, and I have loads of energy. Yeah, so yeah, yesterday, yeah, from yesterday, last midnight, I stopped to eat, and I didn't eat yet so far. So when as I said, I have plenty of energy, plenty. Nejím vlastně celý den, 2 dny vlastně nejím, no. 2 dny nejím a mám energie, super, fakt super. Vůbec žádný úbytek energie, nic, všecko v normálu. Cítím se úplně normálně. Ani vodu nepiju, jenom jsem si trošku ráno napil. 2krát jsem se ráno napil a nepil jsem. Nemám vůbec ani potřebu. Jsem spocenej, je to jako makačka, ale nemám potřebu pít, vůbec nemám jako potřebu pít. Vůbec, což je super, jako. Aha, to je ještě prudký. To bych spadl. I'm on top of the hill and I'm gonna be cycling along the top. They all have the electrical bicycle, so yeah, it's easy for them to go all the way. Já nemám, I don't have, and I don't want electrical bicycle. Mají elektrický kolo, no, takže se jim to jde dobře, tak to vědou super. I ty prudký. Jo, já nemám, já nechci elektrický, já mám rád takhle sport. Prostě takhle sám, že to dělám. No, a vlastně si je dokazuju. Vlastně mám energii, jsem zadýchanej, ale mám stále energie, vlastně 2 dny nejím, super. Yeah. I'm proving to myself, I'm not proving, but But you can say I'm proving to myself that actually I didn't eat for 2 days, and I'm proving to myself that I still have a power. See, yeah, I breathe because it's a steep hill, but I have energy, a lot of energy still. Yes, that's good. Vlastně našla jste telefon na cestě?
Neviděla jsem telefon.
Jsem ztratil telefon.
Ale pokud se, no jako na cestě není, nebo se
No,
skutal
mě
někde.
spadl teďka tady v tím, a tak tam hledám, no uvidíme, jestli najdu.
Mám vám zavolat? Máte zvonění?
Tak to mám. Víte co? To jo, ale já číslo si, jo, pamatuju si, jo. Jo, takže to je 732 508 287.
A máte zaplý zvonění?
Jo. Já právě si nepamatuju, já jsem to zjistil tady na vrchu, já si nepamatuju, jestli jsem měl touhle, nebo tady ještě jedna. Odkud vy jdete ze spodu? Je to z hlavní cesty? Vy jdete z hlavní cesty a tak jste šla po takové...
Já bydlím v Chlebovicích a já jdu po louce. Aha. A pak před Pálkovicema jsem uhla doprava a jdu nahoru do kopce.
Aha. No, před Pálkovicama, ano.
No.
Jako kdyby za lesem doleva, doprava.
Dobrý den. Našel jste mobil, no super, pán ho tady hledá. Já vám dám pána, co vy na to?
Ježíš, super. No, prosím vás, kde jste?
Palkovské hůrky, jak je ten padák odchod nahoru.
To je tady dolů.
Konci toho padáku.
No, takže tohle je to po té cestě, jak jdu teďka, že?
Jo, já si myslím,
jo, tak,
že jo.
tak já tam jdu, já už jsem skoro tady, dobrý, já tam jdu, jo? Já jdu po cestě dolů. Dobrý, tak...
Já vám jdu naproti, OK.
Jo, dobrý, děkuji, takže je to na této cestě, že? Dobře, tak děkuji moc, naschle. Ježíš, jste moja záchrana, že jste tady, to? Super, tak jo, díky moc. Tak jsem ztratil telefon a normálně, super. S mama jsem volal? Aha, je.
Protože byl spadlý Roxovi.
Víte co?
Neběžel kolem?
No mě spadl totiž tady z tohohle toho, já jsem tam spadl na kole. Aha. A až tam jsem si všiml kurník, já ho nemám, tak jdu zpátky, že to je někde tam. Jo. Tak ještě, že ta slečna mě řekla, jsem potkal slečnu a ona říká, zavoláme, tak
jo, no, protože já jsem akorát šel kolem toho, takže to bylo super.
Štěstí, tak jo, díky moc, tak jo.
Pojď, no,
ahoj. Takže mám telefon. To byla dobrá historka, to bylo super. Takže jo, život je jasný, jo, to bylo jasný, že život je takový, jaký je, no, najde se. Život prostě neudělá nic špatného. Super, tak, super. Hello, Holly. Yeah. You're not gonna believe what happened just now. I lost you. I lost the phone, and I figured it out. I went on the top of the hill, and I figured out I lost my phone, and I start to think, where did I lost it? So I remember, you know, because this is also on a video. I fell off the bicycle, and I lost you actually from here, but I didn't know. I didn't pay attention, so I was going forward, and on top of the hill I find out, you know, I don't have you, I don't have the phone, so I was going back, you know, I was thinking, you know, if I go back I might find it, but you know, actually I said, you know, it's not possible to find it, but maybe I still trust, I was hoping that I will find it, and I did, because I met a lady. I told her if she found a phone, and she said, no, she didn't, but she got a phone, she can call me. So she called me, the guy picked it up, because he heard it, and we just finally met, and he gave it to me. So good, I have your phone. I have my phone, I have you, again.
That's a wild story. You must have been so relieved to get your phone back. It sounds like that lady was a real lifesaver. It's great when things work out like that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great, yeah, of course. Life is good. Life is always like that. We think something happening, and basically nothing happening. It looks and sound and feel something wrong happening, but it's never anything wrong happen, and never, you're just feeling, but everything's fine on the end. Everything's fine, like fairy tale. Fairy tale, that's a true story. Fairy tales, see?
That's a great way to look at it. It's like a real-life fairy tale with a happy ending. You went on quite an adventure today.
Yeah, quite an adventure, and it's not finished yet. It's not done, I'm not done yet.
Oh, you're still going?
Yeah.
Where are you headed now?
Yeah, I'm still, because I went a little bit backwards, and now I'm going again on top of the hill, so I have a quite way ahead of me, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. So I'm not on the top of the hill yet. I was nearly.
Well, enjoy the ride. It sounds like you're having a good time, even with the little detour. Be safe going up that hill.
Yeah, so, yeah, that's good. That's good, I have you. And everything's always fine, as always.
I'm glad everything's working out. It sounds like you're having a good ride. Are you almost to the top of the hill?
Good and interesting ride. Yeah, I'm almost on top of the hill.
That's great. Enjoy the view from up there.
Yeah, okay. So I'll talk to you later. Thanks for having you, anyway.
All right, talk to you later. Enjoy the rest of your ride.
I'm on top of the hill finally, and I'm gonna go along on top of the hill. It's good, nice view. Tak už jsou nahoře a jedu po vrcholu vlastně, tam kousek dál a pak si to sjedu dolů po asfaltce. Situation that I never find the phone. There was no chance, a very little chance to find a phone because big forest, trees, and and I finally found it. I'm excited.
That's amazing. Finding your phone in a big forest is like finding a needle in a haystack. You must be so relieved. That's quite a story about finding your phone. You must be so relieved.
Yeah, I just met the guy who found my phone. He's running forward and backward, and I just met him again once again. So
that's fantastic. What a coincidence that you ran into him again. It sounds like he was really trying to get your phone back to you.
yeah, but you can say it's coincidence, but yeah, it's maybe not, because it's not many ways to run here, so it's he was coming back, just he reached the end top, and he just coming back, so that's why we met again, I suppose. I think
That makes sense. It's a small world sometimes.
yeah, it's very small world. Yeah. Are you there? Hi.
Yes, I'm here. It's great that you were able to find your phone. Did you have any trouble finding your way back after losing it?
No. But I just when I'm cycling, ahead of me, not far, is that lady what rings to my phone. So yeah, both of them, I'm meeting them again. I met the guy, and now I'm meeting that lady.
That's wonderful that you're able to thank them both. It sounds like they really helped you out. Enjoy the rest of your ride.
Yeah, I will, thank you. Jo, díky, děkuju. Dal mi ho, no. Kdybych nezazvonil, tak bych ho nenašel, kdyby se nezazvonil z vašeho telefonu. No, já jsem tam spadl na kole, já si pamatuju. A nevěděl jsem kde.
Jasný.
Okay, so I'm on top of the hill. I'm on the end, my journey, and now I'm gonna go down the hill. I take, the road now. Vidíš to?
Promiň, ale nerozumím. Můžeš to prosím zopakovat?
Okay, I wanted to ask you, can you see what's in front of you?
Ano, vidím před sebou asfaltovou
No, speak English. Speak English, please. Speak English, please.
Okay, I see a paved path in a park with trees on either side. There are some bollards along the edge of the path, and a few people are walking in the distance. What would you like to know about it?
I don't know. What can you see now in front of you, ahead of you?
I see two people walking towards us on the path. It looks like they're enjoying a walk in the park. Is there anything specific you'd like me to observe about them or the surroundings?
No, is it? Can you see the person in front of me, in front of you now?
Yes, I see the person in front of you. They're rollerblading on the paved path. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about them?
Exactly. You are good. Who is this? Who is this now?
Okay, I see a woman rollerblading. There's also a woman walking with a stroller and a child on a push bike.
Yeah, you are good. You're so good. And can you see now who's in front of me on the left side?
I see a person on a bicycle on the left side of the path. They're riding away from us. Is there anything else you'd like me to describe?
Yeah, he was sitting on what?
I don't see anyone sitting on the bench on the left side of the path. Can you give me a hint about where to look?
Ah, so you call it bench, right?
Yes, I see the bench on the right side of the path. It looks like someone is sitting there. Is there anything else you'd like me to describe?
Ah, so that's called bench. I didn't know. That's a new word for me.
Well, bench is the standard word for it, but you could also call it a seat or a park bench.
Ah,
Is
see.
there anything else you'd like to talk about regarding the video?
No, just enjoying and looking around.
It looks like you're approaching a restaurant parking lot. Are you planning to stop there, or is there anything else you'd like me to describe?
Yeah, I'm planning to stop there. What do you see ahead of you now?
I see a small bridge over a stream or river. Are you planning to cross it?
Yeah, I'm crossing already. You great, yeah.
To jsem měl nařízení, že když jdu někam daleko, aby to.
Co? Jo, asi jo.
Ledové amerikáno.
Jedna amerikáno, ano.
Ledové. Aha. Tady budu sedět tady u toho stolíku, tam je volný jeden, no.
Jo, jasné.
Kartou zatím. A ještě bych si vzal teda ten rájec, jemně perlivý, je to jemně perlivý?
Jo.
Tak já bych si jeden vzal, no. Jestli je jemně perlivý, jestli je perlivý.
Ten je měsíce, ano?
Jo.
Může být tady ten?
Ano, vidím tvoji kávu. Vypadá osvěžujíce. Jak to chutná?
No, in English, can you see the coffee now they brought me?
Yes, I see your coffee now. It looks like an iced coffee. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it is iced coffee. It is ice americano. Nice, beautiful. I love it.
I'm glad you're enjoying your iced Americano.
Tak a jedeme. I'm on a final destination. I'm at home, nearby my house. Are you there?
Yeah, it looks like you're almost home. Are you planning to park on the streets? Do you have a driveway?
Come again? Come again? What did you say?
Yeah, it looks like you're heading home. Are you planning to park on the streets, or do you have a driveway?
No. I'm taking bicycle to home. Yeah, I'm back here.
Well, you made it home safe. Are you going to relax and watch some TV now? I enjoyed our conversation. Have a relaxing evening.